Hi guys, today we're going to look at adding and with renaming, and I need your help. So we're going to look at a word problem that's going to come up on the screen, and you are going to pause the screen there and have a go there. Okay, so we've got some key vocabulary words up here. We've got add, tens, ones, hundreds, plus, rename, exchange, sum. Okay, so you should know all of these words and possibly think of your own words as well. Okay, so in a second the word problem is going to come across the screen and I want you to pause it and then have a go. But when you're having a go at the question, I want you to think about column method, partitioning, and also possibly drawing your deans. Okay, so have a go. Right, so here's my question. We've got Mr. Machimba has 18 cupcakes. Remember, we underlined the most important information, and Mr. Singh has 15. How many do they have all together? Now the key word which tells us we have to add, I've underlined it already, it is all together. Now, we've got Mr. Machimba here and we've got Mr. Singh here. So I said I wanted you to think about column method, partitioning, and your deans. So we're going to have a go now. So, the question we have, we've got 15 plus 18. And this method is called the, I'll wait for you, well done, column method. Oh, have I made a mistake, some of you are saying? What mistake is that? That's right, silly Mr. Singh. He's not lined up his place value accurately. So the ones must be under the ones and the tens must be under the tens. So I'm just going to rub that out and do it again. Is that better? Well done. So I'm going to label it ones and tens. Because Mr. Singh likes to explain what he's doing, he's also going to write down the steps. And if you want to have a go at this, you can do that as well. So number one, what is the first step, guys? Look at that question. What do we do first? I know, we add the tens. No? Okay, well done. Some of you are saying it. No, Mr. Singh, we add the ones. So 8 plus 1. Again, Mr. Singh. Let's try again. 8 plus 5. Well done. So we've got 8 plus 5. Is this 8 what? It's 8 ones and 5 ones. Well done. So how many ones now do we have all together? Oh, that's right, well done. It is 13 what? It is 13 ones. Fantastic. Now, what do we do to this 13 ones? Do we leave it? I know, we just write 13. We're finished. Well done. Some of you, no, Mr. Singh, no, Mr. Singh. We have to do something with this 13. We have to rename the 13 ones, and it becomes what? Well done. It becomes 110 plus 3 ones. Now I know this is a 10 and this is 3 ones. I can put the 3 here, and then the 110 can go in the tens column. Now what's the next step, guys? Well done. We have to add the tens. So what's the answer to adding the tens, guys? Is it 1 plus 1? So we just put a 2 here? No. So what have I forgotten to do? We must always remember to add the rename or exchanged ones. So we've got 1 extra 10 up here, okay? So we've got 110 plus another 110 and plus another 110. Okay, so we've got 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals what? Is this 1 1? No, it is 110. So we've got 3 tens. Where does the 3 go for 3 tens? Here? Here, well done. Fantastic, so there's the column method. Let's have a go at partitioning. Can we remember partitioning? So we've got 15 plus 18. What do we do when we're partitioning? This becomes 10, this becomes 5. What does this become? Well done. What does this become? 8. Well done. Now what do we do first? Same as the column method. What do we do first? Well done. We add the ones. So 5 plus 8 equals 13 again. Then 10 plus 10. Second step, so add the 10s again. Equals 10 plus 10 equals. Well done. Now I have to add these two together. So we've got 20 plus 13. 0 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is. Well done. So the same answer of 33. Now the last method we need to have a think about is the deans. So we've got 15 plus 18 again. This time I'm going to draw a place value chart. If it was in our books, we always use a ruler. Now, how many ones do we have? So first, we've got 5 ones. How many ones over here? Well done, so now I need to draw my 8 ones. Sorry about my squares, they're a bit dodgy. And then how many 10s do we have? Well done. So is that enough? Well done, one more. So we've got 2 10s. Now, same thing we do, we have to add the ones together first. So how many ones do we have? We've got 13 ones. But what do we do with 10 of them? That's right, we rename the 10 ones into 1 10. So these 10 ones have now become 1 10. So now we can see what number do we have there. We've got, is it still 13 ones? No, well done. So we've got 3 ones there now. Okay, so we've got 3 ones and 3 10s. Okay, so well done guys. Okay, fantastic. 3 different methods. So now I want you to have a think of these 3 different methods when I write the couple of questions I want you to have a go at. We've got 33 plus 29 and 47 plus 24. So have a go at those questions, and some of you might think, Mr Singh, it's a little bit easy. So what you can do is, can you think of a word problem that matches that sum? So could I say Mr Singh has 33 fingers and Mr Kane has 29 fingers? How many are there altogether? Fingers, 33. How do we get 33 fingers? What about 33 pounds and 29 pounds? That makes sense. So can you write your own word problem that matches your sum? So you can pause it now, guys, and have a go. And as another challenge, so I know some of you are super mathematicians, some of you won top mathematician awards this year, really impressed me. Here's another one. Got 29 plus 13. But can you figure out what the missing number is? So first step, so what would go where? And then how would you get 4 there, but what's here? Okay, think about renaming. Well done guys, thank you for listening, take care.